Hello good fellows. I'm glad can see you again. Today I will give you a motivation video for you and first time visit my channel. Please watch it till finish. Don't skip it. Then don't forget to click the subscribe button. Like and also give your positive comment. It's free. So, what are you waiting for? Let's check it out.
Regardless of your age, if you are breathing, then you are always ready for change. It might be in a relationship, a career, an old habit, an anger issue, or something that is really affecting your life. I want you to choose an issue and ask yourself, everything I have come to know in the last 18, 22, 45, or even 65 years, what impact has it had in this particular area of my life? Am I happy where I am? Have I attained fulfillment? Do I feel lost and confused? Now, think back to how many times you have asked yourself those same questions. Do you see a pattern in your previous answers and your current ones? Unfortunately, most continue on a circular train track their whole life and are never able to implement real change. First, they don't build a belief in change, instead reminding themselves of why they think they can't change. And second, some people just don't know how to approach it. We are always gathering knowledge in life, but learning requires rapid action. You could watch someone change a car tire 20 times over, but unless you get down and do it, your knowledge is never tested and you never learn. It seems a lot of us believe we are taking appropriate action, yet still feel as if we have failed. This is why we must direct that energy in a way that is going to be effective and implement lasting change. A lot of us have absorbed a lesson that if we change, then we are not being true to ourselves. Even our friends will have a dig at us and say things like, "You've changed," in a hurtful tone. This stance overlooks two truths. Change is extremely powerful, and more important, it's inevitable. Nothing remains the same. Every new moment, you are a new person, even physically. Not one single cell in your body has remained the same since you were born. This means we are always becoming. But what you are becoming depends on you. The challenge is that most people aren't becoming what they want. Something must change in order to grow, right? Whether it is financially, physically, emotionally, or mentally, the same rule applies. Proper questioning is the basis for directing change toward our immediate growth. It allows us to broaden the way we think and stop being narrow-minded, dismissing the false belief that there is only one option. Maybe you're asking yourself questions, but they're disempowering ones, and they're creating the same experiences. Stay away from such questions. Why can't I do that? Why am I so unlucky? Why does this always happen to me? Why are all girls/guys the same? All people with money have screwed someone over to get there, right? Why can't I enjoy life like others? Why am I the only one faced with so many challenges in life? When you change the way you think, you change the way you feel. When you change the way you feel, you change the way you act. When you change the way you act, you change your life.
Thank you for watching this video.